Keeping your room clean isn't about being perfect or having a Pinterest-worthy space. It's about creating an environment where you can think clearly, relax, and feel in control of your space. A clean room can actually help reduce stress, improve focus, and make everyday life easier. The good news, you don't need hours every day to keep your room clean. Small habits make a big difference. Let's break it down into 20 practical, teen-friendly tips that actually work. Before you can keep your room clean, you need to clean it once properly. That means picking everything up, putting items where they belong, and throwing away trash. This reset gives you a fresh starting point and makes future cleaning way easier. Think of it like pressing the restart button on your space. Making your bed takes less than 2 minutes, but it instantly makes your room look cleaner. Even if the rest of your room isn't perfect, a made bed creates structure and motivation to keep the rest tidy. It's a small habit that sets the tone for the entire day. If something takes less than 1 minute to do it immediately. Putting shoes away, hanging up a hoodie, or throwing out trash doesn't need to be delayed. These tiny actions prevent mess from building up and save you from long cleaning sessions later. Every item in your room should have a home. When you're done using something, put it back right away. This habit alone can prevent clutter from taking over. If you don't know where something belongs, that's a sign you may need better organization. Storage bins are lifesavers. Use them for clothes, school supplies, electronics, hobbies, or random items. Clear bins help you see what's inside, while labeled bins keep things organized. When everything has a place, cleaning becomes faster and less stressful. Clothes are one of the biggest reasons rooms get messy. Decide right away if clothes are clean or dirty. Clean clothes get hung or folded. Dirty clothes go straight into the laundry basket. Avoid the chair pile because it grows faster than you think. Set a timer for 5 minutes every day to clean your room. Pick up items, throw away trash, and straighten things out. 5 minutes doesn't feel overwhelming, but over time it keeps your room consistently clean. Always have a trash can in your room and empty it regularly. Food wrappers, papers, and packaging add up quickly. A full trash can makes your room feel messier than it really is, so don't wait until it overflows. Eating in your room often leads to crumbs, stains, smells, and forgotten dishes. If you do eat in your room occasionally, make it a rule to take dishes back right away. A clean room starts with keeping food messes out. Whether you're studying, gaming, or getting ready, clean as you go. When you finish an activity, take a minute to reset your space. This habit keeps mess from building up and makes your room easier to manage. Your desk is usually the messiest area. Papers, notebooks, chargers, and random items can pile up fast. Once a week, clear your desk, throw out what you don't need, and organize what stays. A clean desk helps with focus and productivity. More stuff equals more mess. Be honest about what you actually use. Donate, recycle, or throw away items you don't need anymore. Less clutter means less cleaning and more space to breathe. You don't need a complicated schedule. Decide what you'll do daily, weekly, and monthly. For example, daily bed making, weekly vacuuming, and monthly deep cleaning. Routines turn cleaning into a habit instead of a chore. Cleaning feels less boring when you listen to music, a podcast, or an audiobook. Turn cleaning time into something enjoyable. Before you know it, you'll be done without feeling miserable. Try to keep your floor clear at all times. Clothes, bags, and random items shouldn't live on the floor. A clear floor instantly makes your room look cleaner and makes vacuuming or sweeping much easier. An organized closet prevents mess from spilling into the rest of your room. Hang clothes properly, fold items neatly, and avoid stuffing things inside. When your closet is messy, your room usually follows. The longer you wait, the harder cleaning becomes. Don't wait for your room to be disaster-level messy. Clean a little at a time so it never feels overwhelming. Pick one day each week to reset your room. Change your bedding, vacuum or sweep, wipe surfaces, and organize anything out of place. A weekly reset keeps your room fresh and manageable. A clean room isn't just about looks, it supports your goals. Whether it's better grades, improved focus, or feeling calmer, your environment matters. When you connect cleaning to something important, it feels more meaningful. You won't be perfect, and that's okay. Mess happens. What matters is building habits and getting back on track. Every small effort counts, and consistency matters more than perfection. Keeping your room clean isn't about rules or pressure. It's about creating a space that works for you. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that progress is more important than perfection. A clean room can boost your mood, confidence, and productivity, and it's one of the easiest ways to improve your daily life. If you stick with even a few of these tips, you'll notice a big difference over time.